Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SBPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. Because really the question going forward, it revolves around the fact that today we made a fantastic move. I mean, to think that it was down here and all of a sudden the price worked its way all the way up there. Sure, it did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it ultimately closed, this was a great move. But now the question becomes, okay, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? And the very straightforward way to gauge this is to watch this $40 mark. And this is where the first update needs to come into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why is it so important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to $1.40 and then just continue on down, what would you have at that point in time? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of the range where it was before the big breakout that happened today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. On the flip side, though, let's say the price comes down here, the difference being it behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there if you envision these as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $1.40. What about areas of resistance now going forward? As far as where the sellers are at, key level in my mind going forward going to be right there at $1.70. If there can be a high volume break of $1.70, while there's no such thing as a guarantee, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price get up to $1.80, if not even higher than that. But that's all dependent on, first off, the price getting up to $1.70 and then a good high volume break of it. But all in all, great movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.